Layers organize design elements, allowing you to control visibility and edit components independently. When using MockFlow as your wireframing tool, the Layers feature allows you to rearrange, group, and edit components easily without disturbing the rest of the layout. Let's say you're adding a text component to your website's homepage design. If the text doesn't stand out against a background image, you might want to add a dark overlay to improve visibility. We'll see how to use MockFlow's layers to place the text on top of the overlay effectively. Layers in MockFlow allow you to hide and unhide components using the eye icon next to each item in the layer display. Here, we'll hide the hero section text and the navigation menu at the top. We'll add a rectangular component as an overlay and adjust its opacity. Then, we'll rearrange the components in the Layers panel by dragging and dropping to ensure the text appears on top of the overlay. Use MockFlow's layers to rearrange, hide, or unhide components, allowing you to make changes without disrupting the rest of the layout. Next time you're designing, remember to use MockFlow's layer features for quick and hassle-free edits. For more wireframing tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe.